Hello there. There's a growing need for docking stations supporting triple or up to 4 extended monitors as they're used in financial trading, labs, control, and monitoring centers. Increase productivity with this USB Type-C 4K quad monitor dock with 100-watt USB-C power delivery. Connect up to 4 monitors at resolutions of 4K 60 Hz with a choice of 4 DP 1.2 ports and 4 HDMI 2.0 ports, allowing you to connect HDMI or DP monitors in any combination of 2, 3, or 4 displays. Dual 5K displays are also supported with the use of 2 DP cables for each display. Compatible with USB-C 5 gigabits per second, 10 gigabits per second, or Thunderbolt 3, Thunderbolt 4 ports to turn your Windows laptops, MacBooks, including the M1 chip, or Chromebooks into a 4-monitor workstation while providing added port connectivity you get from a docking station. In addition to quad monitor connectivity, this DisplayLink certified dock offers a 4-port USB hub, including a USB-C 10 gigabit per second port, which could also function as a tablet or phone charging port, and 3 USB-A 5 gigabit per second ports. A gigabit Ethernet port is also included and supports Wake on LAN and Pixie Boot. And for audio, the dock has a 3.5mm TRRS audio headset mic jack. It also has full 100-watt USB-C power delivery to power and charge your high-performance laptops and MacBooks. Included is a 1-meter USB-IF certified Type-C cable. Additional security features are added to the dock, including the case slot as well as mounting holes on the bottom side of the dock. StarTech.com offers both anti-theft case slot cable locks to keep your dock safe, as well as mounting brackets for the dock to install to a wall, desk, monitor mount, or even behind a monitor. The dock also has a front-facing on-off button for power and energy savings when the dock is not in use. Optimized ventilation is designed on the chassis for enhanced cooling. Compatible with StarTech.com's Connectivity Tools software suite, which includes a MAC address changer, USB event monitoring, Windows layout, and Wi-Fi auto switch utilities. IT administrators can now easily identify, authorize, and track devices connected to your network while improving network performance. Business users will benefit from increased productivity with custom Windows layouts. The software suite is a free download to help you configure your docking station for added security and user preferences. Our quad monitor dock has a 3-year warranty and lifetime technical support.